Hey y'all, it's Mia from the San Diego Air and Space Museum. For today's engineering challenge, we're going to be doing something called origami, which is a really fun way of making sculptures and art out of a piece of paper. This challenge is going to help you follow directions, which is really important for engineers so they don't mess up along the way. What you'll need is just one piece of paper. If you don't have notebook paper like I did, you can have newspaper, magazines, or maybe even tinfoil. Just make sure that whatever it is, it's a square, so all four sides are exactly the same length. And whatever paper you end up chopping off, save this too, because you can make this into origami later. I made my origami into just one single paper crane, and it was a lot of fun to follow those directions. So you can look online for directions for various animals or boxes, just little things, or you can ask your friends and family if they already know how to make something. See what you can create and then just make sure to tag us at the San Diego Air and Space Museum so we can see it as well. Happy engineering!